Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted a lovely Starline i96 on this really beautiful 2016 RS6 Audi. How the system works is every time you jump in the vehicle, you can disarm it in one of two ways. You can either use a tag, i.e. a smartphone, or a Starline tag, or use a push sequence. On here we've actually used something very simple and we've used the iPhone as a tag. So how the system works is every time you jump in the vehicle, just turn the ignition on. If you turn the ignition on and you have the tag present, which is this one here, just turn the ignition on, you receive a melody and just start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. When you turn off the ignition, the system will actually automatically immobilise. Just to show you that it actually works, I'm actually going to turn off the Bluetooth. If we now put our foot on the brake and try and start it, still got 30 seconds, it will still start. So if we leave it about a minute, and turn on the ignition, try and start it, see the vehicle won't start. Okay. Also, we've actually used a pin code override, like a push sequence. So you've got an option on this on too. You can either use a tag, or your smartphone, or you can use a push sequence. So on here we've done something really simple. So ignition on, insert the push sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive your melody, start your vehicle. There you go. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, when you take the car for a service, you can actually put it into valet mode, and the way you put it into valet mode is straightforward. If you go into the Starline key app, once it pairs up, let's turn on the Bluetooth. Turn on the Bluetooth. System disarms. You then go to the Starline key app. Oh. While it's green, if you push and hold, wait for it to go amber, you'll get 2 bleeps. Start the vehicle. You can give it away for a service, car wash. You don't have to disclose the code. When you come back to the vehicle, ignition on, push and hold the key till it goes back to green. You receive 2 bleeps. System jumps out of valet mode and you can start the vehicle. Really clever bit of kit. Also, on this particular system, you can actually pair a couple of phones, you can pair a tag, and you can change the codes. If you look on our other videos, you'll find those quite helpful. Hope you found this helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478. Thank you, bye bye.